Hey guys, in this next video, I'm dressed in Gucci head to toe. This is my most amazing and most fun DIY project, Gucci Aveugle par Amour. Everything from my sweater to my dress to my clutch bag is DIY'd. Check it out and find out how I created these masterpieces.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
So the first step was I needed to find the Aveugle par Amour patches, which is pretty much what I've added on to my clutch bag and to my sweater. And I found an iron-on Gucci patch for my dress. That was all located off of AliExpress. I will link below where I found all of those items. So first, I started with a plain black sweater. It's a long cardigan style sweater. And I removed the buttons. I also found some GG buttons off of AliExpress. I'll link those below as well. So when I received the patches, they actually needed to be trimmed around the outside of it because I wanted it to look more like an embroidered sweater rather than having the black. So I trimmed a few of them. Some of them I left because the sweater is black and you can't really tell. And then I lined them up according to this picture that I found online for the Aveugle par Amour a campaign of Gucci's. And what I did was I glued them all on, and some of them I had to hand sew on just to kind of reinforce the edges a little bit so they didn't stick out when I was moving around. So the birds are on the front. There's some other flowers that went onto the front, and the back has the tiger, and it's got the heart and these cute little kind of tulip style flowers, I guess they are, but anyways, they're patent Gucci patches. Absolutely love them. And it was very simple, and then I added on the buttons. Bang, the sweater is done. For my dress, all I did was I found this iron-on PVC Gucci symbol, and I ironed it on to my velvet dress. What you actually need to do is you have to be on high setting of your iron, but make sure that it has a cover on it. And you cover the patch with a cotton cloth, and then you will iron for a minute at a time, and you don't press too hard or stay on too long in one spot because you can burn your garment. And then keep checking to make sure that it's stuck. And then once it's done, you can peel off the plastic and then reinforce it again. Also flip it over to the back side and iron the back side too, so you're directly to the glue. Next, my DIY clutch. So I had a black diamond plain clutch. It's like an acrylic style clutch. And again, I had some leftover Gucci patches for the Aveugle par Amour. So each side of the clutch has the slogan on it. So one side is Aveugle, one side is par Amour. And I have the heart on one side with PVC iron-on patches, but I had to glue them on. So it's got Gucci symbol on one side, I have Gucci written on the top, and on the side of the Aveugle I have a butterfly and a heart. So I'm going to show you exactly the whole process of how I DIY'd this clutch bag, but I'm going to forward through really fast so you can see quickly all of the details. Very simple, you guys. All you need are the patches and the glue, and bam, you're done. Now, to finish off this look, I have my GG stockings, or my GG pantyhose, and my Gucci floral booties. Check it out, you guys. I hope you guys like this look. It's really chic, street style Gucci, and you can wear it anywhere. Absolutely beautiful, and it's very comfortable. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to do so below. If you have any different ideas that you'd like me to do some videos on, please do let me know.